Hello friends, in this video, we will discuss those important 6 points which are very helpful to earn a handsome profit from crypto. So, let's start and move ahead towards screening those 6 points. Number 1. Have a strategy for crypto trading. Number 2. How to manage risk. Number 3. Diversity. Number 4. Be in it for a long term or do daily scalp. Number 5. Buying just because the price is low. Number 6. Automate purchase. Number 1. Having a strategy. A strategy in which we need to research on those coins in which we will invest, and why we invested in these coins. What is the reason to invest your asset in these projects? Why should you must buy these coins? The answer is that you do research on it and check the potential of the team. After your research you must have an idea, and know the potential of that coin, and make a decision either we should invest in it or not. So before buying, kindly check support and sell on resistance. At least you must know about support and resistance. If you don't know about support and resistance, no need to worry, the link is attached in the description, so click on the link and firstly learn it. Number 2. Manage risk. How to manage risk. Always do trades on registered exchanges so you will save from bubbles coins or in any fraud or fake coins. If you are doing trade on exchanges, you will not need to check that either this coin is real or fake, cause it's exchange services that provide you with real coins. So, it is also time saving. Always invest with a risk to reward ratio and put stop loss. And keep in mind that you always have some extra use as a backup that is helpful to the average you purchase in a dump. Number 3. Diversity. How to diversify. Never invest in a single coin. Always invested in multiple coins. At least you must hold 3 to 4 projects, coins, and keep that, never go with all in. Always buy in parts and average your purchase so it is helpful and low your purchasing price. Number 4. Be in it for the long term or do daily scalp. Invest all assets in a single coin and bear the heavy loss. If not, then invest in different coins. Manage your investment strategy. Hold 2 coins for the long term, which gives you 2 by minus 10x, and 3 coins for the short term and book profit each day, week, or once in a month, depending on your coin potential and which coin you are trading. Number 5. Buying just because the price is low is very harmful. If you don't have any research on that coin which you are willing to buy, then I warn you again, you will bear the heavy loss and that isn't recovered easily, or you will be stuck in that trade for a long time. So kindly check all the parameters, team, news, projects of that coin, then invest in it. Always by making a ladder. Number 6. Automate purchase. This is the basis of any trade. If you purchased any coin and you are in profit, you can sell it by placing order easily, but if at that time when the price is high and you are out of range or outside the house or away from your mobile or at the job and you don't have access to your trade, then you will not able to book maximum profit. So placing order automatically sell your coin at high or on that bid you posted at your maximum satisfaction level, and you can book profit whether you have access or not to your account at that time when the price goes up. And this is very imp, so if you are newbies, then listen to these all points and facts again and again, and never do a mistake like these. Clear these points by doing research or practice and see as maximum videos as you need and clear all point. If there is still any query, comment below. I will guide you and answer your queries, and after that, if you still don't get then point, then I'll make a video in which I explain those unclear points so you can easily understand those points and clear your concepts. Thanks for watching this. So, if you like our video and want to see more stuff like this, then now please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Goodbye.